Chiming in, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase that you might have heard or seen being used, chime in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but you'll also be confident in using it in your own conversations. To understand the phrase, chime in, let's first talk about the word chime. A chime typically refers to a set of bells or a single bell. When it rings, it produces a melodious sound. Think of the beautiful sound you hear from a clock or a wind chime. Now, when we say chime in everyday English, we're not always talking about bells. The phrase has a figurative meaning. It means to interject or add one's opinion or voice to a conversation, especially suddenly or unexpectedly. For example, if two people are discussing their favorite movies and a third person suddenly adds their opinion, that person has chimed in on the conversation. Let's look at a few examples to make it clear. 1. Sarah and John were arguing about the best ice cream flavor when Mike chimed in, saying he loves strawberry. 2. I was explaining the project to the team when Emily chimed in with her brilliant idea. 3. Feel free to chime in if you have any suggestions, said the teacher. In each of these examples, someone is adding their voice or opinion to an ongoing conversation or discussion. English is a rich language, and many phrases have variations. A similar phrase to chime in is butt in. However, be cautious. Butt in has a slightly negative connotation and can imply rudeness or interrupting someone inappropriately. For instance, I didn't like how Jake butted in during our private conversation. While both chime in and butt in refer to interjecting in a conversation, chime in is more neutral and can even be seen as positive, whereas butt in is often used when someone interrupts without being welcomed. And there you have it. The next time you hear or see the phrase, chime in, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using English in your daily life. Remember, language is all about communication, and the more phrases you know, the better you can express yourself. Happy learning, and until next time.